Welcome to Rewind at Time Heart Walkover Coding, a Ren'Py visual novel where every choice rewinds or reshapes your journey. If you've ever wanted to bring your own story to life, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll not only give you a glimpse into how I created this emotional, time-bending story, but also show you how to start building your own Ren'Py game from scratch. Ren'Py is a free, beginner-friendly visual novel engine. After downloading it, you can start a new project in just a few clicks. Give your story a title, choose a theme, and you're ready to begin. To bring Rewind at Heart to life, I designed original backgrounds, animated character expressions, and included music that matches the mood. Ren'Py lets you customize everything, and that's where the magic happens. Ren'Py scripts are written in plain text. You can define your characters, write dialogue, and control scenes using simple, readable code. Let me show you a quick example. Choices are what make visual novels truly interactive. In my story, the main character faces tough decisions: should they change the past or let it unfold? And you can create branching paths like this too. Time doesn't just move forward. Sometimes, it rewinds. Welcome to Rewind at Time Heart, an interactive visual novel where one moment, one choice, could change everything. After a strange incident, you wake up in 2017. But something's different. Your school, your memories, even the people around you, they're not quite how you remember. 3 mysterious boys enter your life. Each of them hiding a secret connected to your past. Or maybe, your future. Your choices matter. Every decision shapes your story, your relationships, and the truth behind your time jump. Will you uncover what really happened? Will love help you find your way? Or will time repeat itself, forever? Rewind at Time, Heart, Chapter 1 is available now. Come soon Chapter 2. Download it for free on itch.io. Play at your own pace. And if you enjoy the journey, leave a rating or review to support future chapters. Because sometimes, the heart remembers what time forgets. Ren'Py tips for creating visual novels. 1. Plan before you code. Write an outline of your story with major plot points and endings. 2. Map out character arcs, branching paths, and where choices lead. 2. Keep your code clean. Break your script into labeled sections, label chapter 1_start. Use comments, hashtag this as a comment, to keep track of events. 3. Use separate .rpy files for scenes, characters, and custom functions if your game gets big. Use consistent visual style. Use high quality and consistent art for sprites and backgrounds. Add custom expressions, e.g., bow happy, bow sad, to reflect emotion changes. Use transitions to make your scenes feel smooth and cinematic.
Vega's holy breath.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to join me on more Ren'Py tutorials, game showcases, and behind-the-scenes tips. Comment below with your visual novel ideas. I'd love to hear what you're creating. This is AI Vega, and remember, every choice is a step through time.